Hey traders, it's Danielle and welcome to today's trade review. Today I want to be talking about IBIT that has made another new all-time high. Yesterday it made another all-time high and I scaled out of some of my butterflies, but I was waiting for the full breakout with the daily squeeze to take profits on my calls, and that's what we have. So if we go ahead and look at this trade that I have right here, uh, basically, I have some butterflies that were targeting the $65 price point. So, like I said, I scaled out of some of those yesterday. Today, we are slightly through that $65 price point. So, I'm going to go ahead and hold those butterflies for tomorrow or the next day to see if I can get a little bit more decay on that center strike and to see if it will pull back just ever so slightly. But right here, I'm definitely going to take profits on my long calls. So why? Well, yes, they are still 20 days out, but whenever you break to a new high and you're up 3% on the day, and you've made multiple extension targets, and you have 100% profit on your call, that's definitely going to be the time to scale out on a long call. So at this point, this thing is pretty far on the money. It's like a Delta 92, but I'm going to go ahead and close out the calls. Just take profits on that. Thank you very much. And then I'm going to hold on to that butterfly to see if it'll just come down a little bit down below that 65 price point, so I can make a little bit more money because I got in for $1.33. It's going for 228 right now, but that's just because it's slightly through the center strike. So that is today's trade review. These setups these setups are being traded in the Mastering the Trade room. So if you want to come join me, check out the link below. Otherwise, have a great day.